Hi students, welcome to Goalboard Tutorials, a journey of education. Today in this video I am going to make a topic of pair of linear equations in two variables. In this lesson we are discussing about first one, introduction of linear equations and methods of solving the pair of linear equations. Before going to start the video, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for notification of new videos. In 9th class we are learnt about linear equations. What is equation? Equation means an algebraic expression which having equal sign is called equation. For example, 2x into x, 2 is called constant, 2 is called constant, x is called variable. This 2x is called algebraic expression. If algebraic expression is equal to 0, for example 2x is equal to 0, then it is called equation. If it is only 2x, then it is called polynomial. Then equation means an algebraic expression which having equal sign is called equation. For example, 2x into x, 2 is a constant, x is a variable, 2x is a polynomial. If 2x is equal to 0, then it is called equation. Otherwise, if it is not equal to 0, then it is called a polynomial. In this 2x, 2 is a constant. Constant means it is a fixed value. Then x is a variable. Variable means a literal number which changes its value according to the situation is called a variable. Then next, variable means a literal number which changes its value according to the situation is called a variable. Then next, equation means an algebraic expression which having equal sign is called equation. Then linear equation. Linear equation means a equation which having highest degree of the variable 1 is called linear equation. For example, here 2x is equal to 0, it is a linear equation because of the highest degree of the variable is 1, therefore it is a linear equation. If it is a 2x plus 5 is equal to 0, it is also linear equation because of highest degree of the variable is 1, therefore it is a linear equation. Then linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables means if the linear equation is having two variables, then it is called linear equation in two variables. Now here we know that linear equation in one variable, it is having exactly one solution. If it is a linear equation in two variable, it is having infinitely many solutions. Now here we know that ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. It is a general form of linear equation in two variables. Here always the coefficient of x is a value, coefficient of y is a b value, then c is a constant. Then next one, pair of linear equations in two variables. For example, 3x plus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0, 7x plus 9y plus 3 is equal to 0. Now these two equations are called pair of linear equations. In these two pair of linear equation, now here we have to take 3x plus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. Take equation number 1. 7x plus 9y plus 3 is equal to 0. Take this equation number 2. In equation 1 we have to write the values of a, b, c. That one a1 means it is a a value of in first equation. A1 is equal to 3. B1 means it is a b value in first equation, that is a 4. C1 means it is a 8. In second equation, the value of A2 is 7. The value of B2 is equal to 9. Then the value of C2 is equal to 3. Here A2 means it is a second equation. A1 means it is in the first equation. Then next, if we draw two lines on a plane, there can be only three possibilities. First one, the first possibility is intersecting lines. Now these two lines are called intersecting lines. Second possibility is that is parallel lines. Second one is parallel lines. Third possibility is coincident lines. Third possibility is coincident lines. In first possibility, these two lines are intersecting lines. Second one is parallel lines. Third one is coincident lines. If a pair of linear equations having intersecting lines, then it is having exactly one solution. It is having exactly one solution. If two lines having parallel lines, now these two parallel lines are having no solutions. No solutions. Here these two lines are having coincident lines. If the given lines are coincident, then those lines having infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. Here if two lines are intersect each other, then these two lines having only one solution. If two lines are having parallel lines, then these two lines are having no solutions. If given two lines are coincident lines, then these lines are having infinitely many solutions. Now by comparing the ratios, in this table they are given, compare the ratios. First one, second one graphical representation, third one number of solutions. Here if A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, if the ratios of A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, then it is that graph represent the intersecting lines. If it is intersecting lines, then it is having exactly one solutions. Second one, the ratios of A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Then these ratios indicates the graphical representation is a coincident lines. If it is a coincident lines, then it is having exactly infinitely many solutions. Then next one, if A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2, then graphical representation is parallel lines. If it is having parallel lines, then it is having no solutions. Then if the pair of linear equation having exactly one solution, then it is called a consistent pair of linear equation. If a pair of linear equation is having infinitely many solutions, then it is called a dependent pair of linear equation. If a pair of linear equation having no solution, then it is called a inconsistent pair of linear equation. Here consistent pair of linear equation. Consistent pair of linear equation means if a pair of linear equation having exactly one solution is called, it is a consistent pair of linear equation. It is having exactly one solution. It is having exactly one solution. If it is having exactly one solution, then it is called a consistent pair of linear equation. A pair of linear equation which having no solution, then it is called a inconsistent pair of linear equation. In this inconsistent pair of linear equation, it is having no solution. It is having no solutions. The next one, dependent pair of linear equation. Dependent pair of linear equation means a pair of linear equation which having infinitely many solutions are called dependent pair of linear equation. Then it is having infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions, then it is called dependent pair of linear equation. Friends, today we are discussed about introduction of pair of linear equations in two variables. Thank you for watching the video.